Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Apple Pencil 2 pressure sensitivity not working in 2026. Now, in order to fix this issue, first of all, you need to check the app pressure settings. Pressure sensitivity only works in apps that support it. Sometimes it's turned off inside the application. So you need to first of all open the drawing application like Procreate or Notes, etc. Now you need to go to the brush settings or pressure settings. Over here you need to make sure that the pressure sensitivity is enabled. Now you can try a brush that supports pressure and not all the brushes do it. So if the issue still persists, you can just simply try our second fix, in which you just have to tighten or replace the pencil tip. So here a loose or a worn out tip can stop the pressure from registering properly. So you need to first of all unscrew the pencil tip, then screw it back tightly. If it feels worn or smooth, replace it with a new tip. Test the pressure again and see if it is working properly. Now, if the issue still persists, you can try our next fix, in which you just have to basically reconnect Apple Pencil. For that, you just have to go to the settings of your iPad. In the settings, look for the option of Bluetooth. When you are inside Bluetooth, simply tap on this eye icon next to Apple Pencil. Now select forget this device and attach pencil magnetically to iPad again in order to reconnect. So you can try these settings and see if Apple Pencil 2 pressure sensitivity is working again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.